Hey guys, welcome back to the show. All right, prepare yourself for cuteness overload this morning with these adorable puppies. Our good friend Danielle Gunter, Executive Director of Puppy Food Bank, is back, and she's brought along these adorable adoptable puppies from AJK Family Rescue. Good morning to you,
Good morning. Thank you for having all of us.
Of course, and there's more behind the scenes as well. We could only just fill our hands up with these guys. Your little guy is asleep, like passed out right now.
This is Battleship.
Battleship. Oh my gosh, tell us more about these puppies that we have here.
So they're from the AJK Family Rescue, and he is one of 5 that we have here today. And what's really great and special about these guys, they're all named after board games. But what's really great is that Bill and Coo have actually stepped up to pay the adoption fees for all 5 of these pups.
Incredible.
So we're very thankful that they partnered with AJK Family Rescue for that.
Yeah.
They're a luxury pet wellness brand here. And so we're really excited. So somebody can definitely apply for one of 5. We've got 5 boys in the house, I should say. And they are 6 weeks. They are going to be bigger dogs.
Yeah, guys, but the markings on these dogs are incredible. So they have, I think each and every one of them, oh, where are you going, little buddy? You gotta stay right there. They have the little white stripe on their chest, and they're just so stinking adorable. So you say they're gonna be big dogs. What are we thinking?
Well, they say that the mom's a doodle. So, yes, they've got a little doodle in them.
Oh, but they're just so cute. Okay, and who do I have again?
So you've got Monopoly and Othello.
And Othello. Right here. Okay, and then like we said, there's 5 in house, so there's 2 more behind the scenes. So please, guys, adopt these adorable babies today. If you are looking for a puppy in your home, those adoption fees are waived thanks to our good friends
Bill and Coo.
Bill and Coo this morning. All right, so Danielle, tell us more about Puppy Food Bank and just your mission in general.
So we started a little over a year ago, and in 2023, we were really excited. We partnered with 19 different shelters and rescues and organizations across the state of Texas. Here in Austin specifically, we've partnered with LAP, which is Love and Puppy Dogs, Puppy Paws Rescue. We've partnered with AJK, the Hill Country Humane Society, and we're really excited because we distributed more than 90,000 pounds of dog food.
Incredible.
Completely free to the rescues that we partner with. And so we're really happy that we're able to do that and then continue that mission. So we've got bigger things planned for 2024. We've already taken on 2 additional rescues in each of the markets that we serve.
Amazing.
And we want to be able to do more. The need is there. Every week we get emails from different rescues across the country that are applying for support because it's desperately needed. All the shelters are at capacity and they're trying to do what they can. And so if we're able to step in and relieve that financial burden of the cost of dog and cat food for them, then we want to be able to be those partners.
Amazing. You guys are doing God's work for sure. And the fact that you're bringing on more organizations underneath your wings to continue to help and support these no-kill shelters, it's just incredible work that you guys continue to do.
Thank you.
For our viewers at home or even just organizations, how can they participate and receive support through Puppy Food Bank?
So viewers and organizations can go online to puppyfoodbank.org. We have an application process for if there's a rescue that is in desperate need of food. I know we always get tagged in things and I try to keep up with it on social media, but they can go online and start with the application process. It does take about a quarter for us to go through that, get with our board, get it approved, and we really look at organizations, the size of them, is their board active, are they volunteer driven, you know, and really, again, we want to help those that need a little bit of that financial relief for them. And then if you're a viewer and you just want to make a financial commitment, you can easily, again, go online to puppyfoodbank.org. You can be a one-time donor, you can become a monthly donor. Either way, it all makes a huge difference and helps these rescues.
It really does. A little bit goes such a long way, friends. So please, if you are able to offer any type of support, please do so. Really quick, we have to wrap it up, but I want to get to this event golf tournament that you have coming up.
Yes, so we have the Putts for Pups golf tournament taking place April 15th. It is in San Antonio, but we still have lots of branding opportunities. We have a couple of team spots still available. It's going to be a great day. It's going to be a possum day.
Awesome.
Yep. But we're really excited. And again, you can go to our website to learn more about that event and just other ways to get involved.
Amazing. And what is that website?
So it's puppyfoodbank.org.
Simple as that. Friends at home, the phone number is right there on your screen, as well as give them a follow on social media. Danielle, thank you for bringing in these cuties. Oh, I think I want one.
Yes.
Okay, guys, come claim them, because if not, I want all 5. We'll be right back.